Hey, it's your boy Trey Cross, and I'm back for another great week, another jam of the week. So this week, jam of the week is a song, a really simple, easy song. You know, with these jams of the week, I try to keep them simple, something you can just take it, run with it, while you're still learning your fundamentals, all that good stuff. So this one is Intentional by Travis Greene. Super duper easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. You know how I do. I demonstrate, then I break it down. All right. So let's do it. All right, so that's it. That's intentional. So let me break it down. So left hand, we got 6, 7, 1, and then 2, 3, 4. All right. So 6, 7, 1. So 6 is F sharp. 7 is A flat. And A is 1. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is in the key of A major, A natural. This is in the key of A natural. So we're using the A major scale. All right. So 6, 7, 1, which is F sharp, A flat, and A. Okay. So next we got 2, 3, and 4. So 2 is B. 3 is C sharp, and 4 is D. All right. That's the whole bass line. Now, if you want to, you can double octave. Okay, so let's do the chords real quick. So the first chord is going to be on 6, which is F sharp. So this chord is F sharp minor. Okay, F sharp minor, second inversion. Okay, so that's C sharp, F sharp, and A. C sharp, F sharp, A. Okay. That's the first chord. All right. The second chord is E major root chord. Okay, and this is on 7, which is A flat. So E, A flat, B. E, A flat, B. All right. Third chord, that is A major, second inversion. See? E, A, C sharp. And that's on A. Okay? So those are the first 3 chords. F sharp minor, E major root chord, A major, second inversion. Okay? All right, so the second 3 chords. So we're going to start at 2, which is B. So we're going to start at 2, which is B. So this is B minor. Okay, F sharp, B, D. F sharp, B, D. Okay. B minor on B major. I'm sorry, B minor on B, which is 2. And then we're gonna go to 3, which is A major, but it's the second inversion. A major, second inversion. E, A, C sharp on C sharp. Okay? And then last but not least, we're playing the D major root chord on D, or 4. Okay, so that's D, F sharp, A. And one little thing I wanted to add, that's the whole song. That's the whole song. One little thing I wanted to add is, like, when you start, you can go like, you can go, okay. And then what you can do, if this is just all in fun, no pressure, right? If you don't feel like if you don't feel real comfortable with it, this is something you can work your way up to, and it's still really simple. So you can play the octave on the left hand, and you could bounce it on the right hand, but bounce it high. So So, that's a nice little fun thing you can do, especially if you play it in church. But if you're just playing it at home, work your way up to it. I know it's a little bit more coordination required, and you kind of separating your hands a little more. So that's basically it. Make sure you get the download for Intentional, okay? I'm gonna have them like I have them every week. I'll probably have them the first 3 chords and then the second 3 chords, and that's just about it. All right, I will see you next week.